Friends, today I will show you how to make a water fountain with using a all out. These are the parts we use in how to make a water fountain. I will show you now. Now put the holes on this and in center. I have already made this like this, and I have put a straw in middle of this. Now insert the mortar in the straw. I have inserted. Now put the pump in a ball, and now wires let be out. And close this box and take the LED, put the LEDs in this. Take the wires out. Give the connections in parallel for water pump and LED. Pour the water. Let's check. It's working. Now you will see. It's working. If you like this, please like, share and subscribe my channel, friends.